I'm showing you the Trade Scalper signals. Here is the afternoon trading. What I want to do in this video is show you something a little bit different. I want to teach you about manipulation that exists in the market, especially if you're trying to look at tape reading or looking at the price ladder. This is called a superdome, whether it's the static or dynamic superdome. You see the orders here on the left side to be a buyer and the orders on the right side here to be a seller. And when you see these orders, you're probably assuming that these are actual trades that are attempting to get filled both on the buy side and on the sell side. And that's true. There are traders that are looking to go long or to go short with limit orders and market if touched orders and stop with limit orders, all waiting to be filled. The problem is that these values and these numbers and these trades that are waiting to be filled can easily be manipulated, and they shouldn't be trusted when you're looking at support and resistance and trying to assume that there are values and contracts waiting to be filled that really want to be filled. So I call these phantom orders. I taught this a number of years ago. I figured I'd put out a new video on what phantom orders are all about, especially if you're trying to look at these values and understand that tape reading or looking at values that are listed here as an indication that support and resistance exists. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to show you here that placing an order to be a buyer, if I waited to be filled here, this is a sim account currently, but if I waited to place an order, it's very easy for me to move this and out of the way. And the same thing is happening as traders are constantly placing orders either into the market or out of the market, or canceling orders for that matter, like this. So I can't really rely on these values for a good indication that traders really want to be filled, especially with the age of computer trading, where there's a constant algorithm entering orders and taking them off, entering orders and taking them off. So if I did something like this to be a seller, and as soon as the market comes close to these orders for me to sell, I move them, or I cancel them, or I add to them, or I keep on moving them. So you can't really trust the orders that are printed on the board, on the price ladder, on the dome, however you're looking at the market, as actual orders waiting to be filled. Consider them phantom orders or manipulated orders, because we can put here the value 2, 3, 5, 10 contracts, whatever your account could hold, and these will show up, and then you could easily manipulate them, remove them, and they no longer exist. And so what happens, a lot of traders look at opportunities at these areas thinking it's support and resistance, and as soon as the market comes close to those values, they disappear. Now on a sim account or a demo account, this doesn't relate to the values, it doesn't add to the values, but on a live account, if your account is large enough, you can place 10 or 20 contracts and then easily remove them, and you're faking out a lot of traders.
If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.